Single-phase power meters, smart power meters from ICP DAS USA. Smart power meters can help monitor the energy consumption and save on unnecessary cost. Featuring high accuracy, the ICP DAS USA smart power meters can be applied to low, medium, and high voltage to read and log energy consumption data of your equipment. They communicate over many protocols and is easy to integrate with SCADA software for further control and analysis. The power meters are compact and low in cost and come in a 3-phase, single-phase, or multi-circuit measurement configuration. In this video, we will be discussing the features of our single-phase power meters. Our single-phase meters have 3 protocols: Modbus RTU, Modbus TCP, and CANopen. The wiring can be either 2 or 4 loops with a voltage measurement of 10 to approximately 300. And with 2 channel relay outputs, it can be linked with sirens or lighting for alarm messages. To learn more about our energy management, take a look at our power meter video series or visit our website at www.icpdas-usa.com.